seems natural.
Those guys are incredible. They can destroy Hollywood without even leaving the studio. Major special effects sequences are often made after the rest of the shooting on a picture's finished. So as an actor, I usually don't get to see how they're done. But a few years ago, after I was all through shooting on Universal's Earthquake, I went back to see the finished picture. Some of those scenes took me completely by surprise. I was amazed to see what I missed. Ready for the camera takes a team of experts. First, the art director and set designers plan each shot with original drawings. Then model makers create everything, from trash bins to whole buildings, trees, even scale model furniture, and miniature signs. Scenic artists construct the background from a giant painting and sculpted styrofoam mountains. A team of special effects technicians test everything, making sure that the crumbling brick walls, miniature explosions, the ripping effect of an earthquake in the face of the building all will look right to the critical eye of the camera. The entire model city fills the space the size of a large parking lot. Cameras are everywhere. The secret to making this look real on screen is what's called high-speed photography. Cameras that shoot film 10 times faster than its projector. Watch the parking garage on the right. That's what it looked like in real life. But this is what the high-speed camera lets us see. Is there a projectionist out there?
Right here, Mr. Heston.
Oh, Leroy? Didn't you tell me you were the casting director?
Well, yes, sir, I did. But, I can take care of this, too. You want to run the scene again, right?
Yes, I'd like to project the sequence once more. Is that a problem?
Oh, no, sir, not a problem at all. ladies and gentlemen, what you're looking at is a portion of the actual miniature that was used in the video you just saw. This was constructed, and then it was destroyed by the Apogee Production Company in Hollywood, California. Now these doors are going to open on your right. We're going to go into the sound stage. You get to meet the director and the shoppers and grips. That's where you sit front and center.
Stairs as well, leaving some office workers trapped 25 floors above the street. The scene really looked marvelous on screen, but the 25 stories and a lot of the best things in the movie were created with what we call map painting. Now, there is no one who does this better than Al Whitlock. Map paintings, as well as miniatures, are also used to provide scenic elements that either don't exist or would be too expensive to reproduce. The live action is typically shot first, and the area to be painted is blacked out. Next, the scene is completed by making a painting that only covers the portion that was blacked out in the live shot. The painting and the live action are then combined. This is how it looks. That was great, wasn't it? Now, if I can just find the director, we'll try and recreate one of the scenes from the movie right here in the stage.
Right here, Mr. Heston. The cast and crew, they're all set.
Yeah, actually, I was looking for the director.
Well, actually, I couldn't find him, but directing's one of my specialties.
Directing is another one of your specialties.
Oh, yes, sir.
Go right ahead.
Oh, he likes me. Charlton Heston likes me. Playmate! Okay, here comes my assistant. That's Dave. And there's the dummy. And Dave, of course, is the one with hair. Just kidding, Dave. One set! And can I have lights? Good. Camera. And, oh, wait a second. Herb, can I have those matte paintings up here, please? On this side of the screen? Good. Give me lots of detail, Herb. This is your specialty. Great. All right, we want to keep our eyes on the screen up here. To the left, we have a live action shot of this blown-out office building. It's an exact replica of the one in the 1974 movie. On the other side, we have a matte painting. Then we take these two elements and we combine them to make this center shot. Now, if we were really shooting a movie, of course we would have a live stuntman. But for this demonstration, we're going to use that fabulous dummy unless Dave feels like jumping. The center shot is very interesting because it creates the illusion of depth. Now remember, keep your eyes glued to the center. When I say action, scream! Action! There's some sad screams over here. Thanks, Dave. And that stunt dummy, just in case he was a real stuntman, he landed safely on an airbag that's down there. The camera doesn't see it. How was that, Mr. Heston?
Well, actually, not too bad, considering. I suppose you're ready to handle the composite shot, too.
Oh, yes, sir. This is my favorite part. You know, I did my senior project on composite shots. This is where I get to use the actors. Okay, I need my 3 shoppers up on stage. 1, 2, 3. There you go, right up there with Deb. And my 2 grips. 1 and 2. You're going to come around this way and just plant your feet on these yellow feet that are on the floor. All right. And I'm all set up here. Now, let me set the scene for you. You are in a shopping mall when the earthquake comes. You will literally shop until you drop. So when I call for action, I want you all to start staggering like this, like you're having some trouble standing on your feet. Let's rehearse that. Let's stagger. Ready? Stagger, 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 stagger. Ooh, look, we have an experienced staggerer. What a good quote. Oh, you were staggering on another ride. Okay, well, why don't we practice screaming? 1, 2, 3. It's like a zoo. Okay, remember, this is an earthquake. Anything can happen and probably will. But you're actors and you're going to react to it. If concrete bricks fall on top of your head, just react to it. But don't worry, because these are all set pieces. They're all made out of styrofoam. Bummer, huh? Okay, grips. Grip 1 when I say grip 1, go. Then you're going to pull on that rope just once. Grip 2 when I say grip 2, go. You'll pull on your rope hand over hand. You keep pulling. Sounds easy, right? Yeah, see how they humor me? Look behind you, shoppers. You see that large blue screen? Cleverly enough, in the movie business, that is called a large blue screen, right? What's so special about the blue screen is that our video camera right here electronically eliminates the color blue, then we can substitute any background we choose with previously shot footage. Okay, everyone, get ready. Quiet on set! And give me lights. Yeah, just pretend like you're shopping. Camera!
Camera rolling and speed.
Thank you. Okay, remember, I'll say action. That's when you stagger, you scream, you yell, you look silly. You might want to move up to this silver mark up here so we can see you on the screen. Okay, action! Stagger! Scream! Go! International disaster! Oh my goodness! Grip one, go! Keep screaming, keep yelling, keep reacting! Grip two, go! Boom! Head overhead! Oh my goodness! The earth is moving! And cut! Very good. Everyone stand up. Take a bow. Let's give them a big round of applause. Very good. Oops, no shoplifting. Gotta return that. Now you can all go back to your families and friends, if they'll have you. Mr. Heston, what did you think of that?
Well, that's amazing. That's really amazing. You did a fine job. I have to hand it to you.
Thank you.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we've seen a lot of what goes into the making of a motion picture like Earthquake, but we have left out one thing. Every disaster film needs a big crowd scene. We just happen to be rehearsing one right now. Just turn around and go straight through the doors. They lead right onto the rehearsal set. Oh, and thanks for coming and listening. I'll see you in a moment.
I'll save you the seat. I'm going to turn it over to the second unit director. You can go through any of these doors that'll open up soon and have fun.
Rolling.